This is Dingbo Power. Today I will give you a brief intrusion about our SDEC generator set. This is a 800 kW SDEC series diesel generator set. Gantry body, rear gear chamber structure, good rigidity, low vibration, and low noise. For valve structure, 1 cylinder and 1 cover. Convenient for use and maintenance. The double supercharger intake system makes the intake more efficient and full, and has a compact structure and beautiful appearance. The unique dual electric control system with high power adopts an electronically controlled high-pressure common rail, which can achieve multiple injections, effectively reduce noise and vibration, and with low power, uses an electronically controlled unit pump technology to achieve the perfect combination of high power and high cost performance.